How goes it? It's me, Jules, and I'm standing right here. Can you guess? In my camper. So last night I spent a few hours taping off everything, and now that that's done, it's time for the fun part. Oh dang, mask is too tight. Anyway, one thing I forgot to tape off was the back of this wall here, so I could paint with a roller back here. It's hard to reach, but I'm gonna attempt it. You're not gonna see it for the most part, but I'll know it's there. Not sure how that's gonna work. Alright, I'm going in blind.
Close enough.
Whoops. Just assumed do the back as well. Need a refill. I was able to get some decent reach behind here. Got some touching up to do here and there. But it looks pretty good. I'm going to move on to the dining area now. Alright, so I got the first coat down. Now I'm going to start back at the beginning and make the loop again. I think it's looking alright. Probably saying, you don't need a second coat. You'd have to get closer to understand. Looks like the adhesive is cured. So I'm going to go ahead and tape it off and apply the first coat. Looking good. And there we have it. Just like new. 2 coats of white paint. Gonna have to do a few touch-ups here and there, but I'm gonna go ahead and say this side is done. Minus the cabinet doors and drawers. Making good progress. We're one step closer to finishing up this project. I'm very happy with the progress. Pretty soon, I'll be able to take it out. Won't that be fun? Well, I gotta run. If you enjoyed this particular video, please consider subscribing and giving me a like. lets me know how I'm doing. See you next time.